I'm going to be knocking out chores, and we're going to be doing a few other projects around the farm.
Alright, it took me a while, but we finally got this burning all the way. There's a ton of big logs in it, so I don't know if it'll burn all the way down, but maybe we can keep it going.
Alrighty guys, so I just finished my project. So let me show you it. Ta-da! I made this chicken coop for my chickens. So what I did was I put a ramp, and then inside all I got are 4 walls, a metal roof, and I put a slatted floor down. Reason for the slatted floor is because the wire mesh floor is good and stuff. It's good for some reasons, but we didn't have that material that I needed for the slide floor. I didn't have any mesh. Now I was able to use the table saw to cut these slats. That way I can have a slatted floor, and that's what Joel Salatin uses. As you can see, I got the slats. I got 2 little windows I made. I'm pretty excited. I got this all done. I was hoping to get it done today, and I did. You can see when I come to the side, you can see I used all different kinds of boards, all different kinds of length or widths. So it'll house the birds. You can see the back wall. What I'm gonna do on the back here is I'm gonna put a gutter down it, and then I'm gonna put 2 55-gallon drums here. Whoa, that didn't focus. And then I'll have a water catchment on each side of the coop. So I'll have one on that side, one on that side, and then the chickens will be able to go over there, drink. Oh, and another thing, they can get under there, and I can also get a shovel under there in order to scrape the poop out. Because it's not mobile, I need to make it high enough where I could get a shovel under there and scoop the poop out, and just probably leave it in here, but just get it out from under there. But pretty excited. I got this done. I'm excited to reveal it to y'all. Like I said, this is just material that we had here on the homestead. So tonight I'll get the chickens that are over there, then moved in here, and also today we were able to sell all those leghorns and red stars. So a friend bought some, and then somebody just down the road from us got some. So, pretty excited that we were able to get rid of them before we left on our trip. And pretty soon, y'all will know where we're going. But y'all have to wait till we get there. That's what I've been working on lately. This chicken coop. Like I said, it's not 100% complete. I still got to put like the gutters in the back and the 55-gallon drums, which I'll have to buy that stuff since we don't have that here. But one thing I am going to be doing is once the chickens hit laying age, which is pretty soon, those guys over there hit laying age, when they're in this coop, y'all are kind of thinking, well, where's your nesting box for them to lay their egg? But I have this nesting box here, and Joel Salatin, for his hoop houses where the chickens are and stuff, he makes like a little A-frame on each side and then puts the nesting boxes just like in the middle of them. I'll show you a picture. But as you can see, it'll be simple to build, and I'll probably be able to make it just with the materials we have here. And that's another thing I really liked about this coop and how I designed it, because I did the coop 100% by myself. I did on that wall over there have Mom help me hold the boards and a little bit on this side, but for the most part I put it all up. I designed it myself, and I'm pretty excited how it turned out. So comment down below, what do y'all think? Do y'all think it looks pretty good for what I had here on the farm? So, whew, that smoke's burning my eyes, so I gotta come over here. But like I said, tonight we'll get those guys moved into here, and I probably won't build that nesting box thing yet. Probably I'll wait until we come back from our trip. Ooh, hold on, now I got sawdust in my eye. Alright, that's better. So, I'll wait for that. I'll do the nesting box thing another day. Probably once, like I said, once we get back from our trip. That way, we don't have to rush, get that built and stuff, because we got to get ready to head out of here. Hopefully, everything goes as planned, moving those birds over here. But I'm going to get my mess picked up in here. Get all my wood that I cut out of here. Probably see y'all tonight when we catch those birds. Alrighty guys, so it is night, and we're going to be, we already started, but we're going to start getting these birds into the coop. Alright, everybody's in. Everything's good. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna wrap up this video for y'all. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that little bell button, share this video with your friends and family. Y'all have a good one, and God bless.